My country people, on a good morning, on a good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where they watch this video from, or when you take come across this video. My name is Igminovia Osamojame, and at the report for Edo CBC. Today, my people, now on the 14th of February 2024. The reason why I record it because we don't know where they go for Nigeria. Nobody said the video go enter make una for know the day we will do, and also if price still change, we could foresee no. I come monitor the work one of Edo CBC. Give one of the plumbers we did for Edo CBC. Oga, good afternoon, sir.
Good morning, and good afternoon, and good evening. Well done. Okay,
sir, for those who they see for the first time, you go tell them your name and the name of your company again.
As we all know, my name still remains Mr. Endurance, known as the CEO of Boya Waters. So now we're in charge of Borehole, so not do well.
Okay, Oga, quick one now. One of the work we come to Edo CBC will come monitor.
Yes.
Okay, now which journal do the drill this borehole?
By God's grace, you can see that yesterday we do the borehole. That was on the 13th of February. Now we do the borehole. So today we'll come install the sumo.
Okay. We there here just now when on Saturday put the pipe for inside, never take water come outside. That one will be the main one for inside, and the water clean one first come outside. Never take the thing one come outside. You never take the real fresh one come outside. I haven't got to go put my hand to make sure say I feed that cold water. Yeah. So like this area now, how many pipe on a case for this side?
I just said I did no. Yeah, 19 casing pipe for ground.
Wonderful.
Yes, 19 casing pipe ground.
Okay, that means now deep well.
Yes, you have a better deep well. And that's what they call those normal bore deep well areas and 19 casing pipe.
Wow. And when I check the stones, the things what I see, I can't see charcoal for inside. And
I say now from different layers, from the mud, sharp, clay. So these are they get charcoal soil. So I say just be after the charcoal before you can get the real water level. Wow.
Since when me this record you, I never see charcoal. I don't know say charcoal there inside this ground.
Well, we're there.
Wonderful.
It's there. So kind area just there.
Wow. Okay, 19 kc pipe.
Yes.
Okay, now which kind of material now use for this for this water?
The kind of material more use the normal casing pipe now, Jomo. So as it take on. Now the pump, now the owner of the house now buy the pumping machine, so that one not concern me.
Okay. So. Okay, now only the pumping machine now the.
Now the owner now they in charge of the pumping machine, water aspect. The half bag of Smith motor set this thing well. Okay. So now they in charge of the pumping machine. The wire made it connect and come outside, as you can see. The water motor work and the half bag of Smith.
Okay. Now your own now to bring your workers come.
Yes, my own I just bring my workers, buy the casing pipe, the Niger pipe, rope, and then transport all those ones. Not be my own for inside. Okay.
Now, because we don't almost through water don't come outside, we don't see them. And this pumping machine now, this one different. You realize this one because as they call the name, see the thing be like waiting heavy, well. Which kind of pumping machine?
And this one they call Lorezi. They have Lorezi pump.
Yes.
Pump with this.
None are used for this house.
So the pump not get charge play on you. Okay. So the pump not better pump.
Okay. Now how many horsepower?
Now Lorezi 1.5 in this one.
Okay, 1.5.
Yes.
Okay, my people now see just somewhere they put on for inside ground. Now we say they can't put the carton for years, some go put carton for year. And the first thing that the person will get and I won't buy, and we for Edo CBC too still there here to make sure say they use them for the purpose where they need them for. Okay, now make we come the amount. Now, how much you take drill the borehole for your own part for inside?
I take on with my own casing pipe, Niger pipe, labor, a few of the material I buy, 700. So now the person now in charge of water, the pumping machine, and the wire.
Okay, because
the half bag of Smith knows to use.
What I use. Now because me no say now Benin go say now Benin this one like this kind of one that I do one time one asleep one I do
one sleep the side so they don't continue.
Yes.
Now this kind of now this one.
Wow.
But by God grace yesterday the team moved for us, so we doing yesterday, so today we come put the sumo.
But not be afternoon until finish the work.
No, net. As of around that kind of net to take them up for yesterday net.
9:30.
Yes.
Work when I start to the drill in the morning.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, 700,000. Okay. Now the person will get and buy pumping machine.
Yes.
Provide water for now.
Yes. Brings meat. Buy the wire.
Okay. Now, if it be say now you want to do everything for this area because this side 19 they see another pipe many even if man will bring generator come they say all this pipe won't enter ground when he see enter water he can say Mona leave one make one or join at the end of for that one una see come out and join to make sure say the water flow so if it be say that you want to do everything with this Lorenzi pumping machine or obviously they call the other one get one way see
if no normal pumping machine
not be way
if no normal just Astra but for now we not fit give price again because we not give price again because of the set price now the country can't be now so for now we can't give price depending on between you and the workman so now for you to call right now if I want to give you price I give you recent price you know especially I give you price today you can't call me by next week especially maybe I see use that same price still work or you it's not been done. Okay,
but if the price for market remain as like today on
if the price still remain we still there on that stable place.
Okay, now make me fair call date for the for when we start this video just now. I said today now on the 14th.
Yes.
And although this morning now they don't increase me 2 times. I don't know what the apples 2 times. I don't this country now only God now go save us. Now as it be now, what could use today price which is on the 14th of February will be Valentine's Day to do this video. If you want do one today, now how much it be?
Like as it be now, you can say okay, you don't want to use all those normal weapon or those grandpa. You want to use Astra normally. So you want me to identify everything, both the water aspect. See if neighbor they will give us water. Okay. I'll do one for you 1 million naira last.
1 million.
Yes, but that one will be expensive. We get neighbor one give us water. Say na tank I want use.
Yes.
And so budget like 1.3.
1,300,000.
Yes.
Hey, wonderful. Okay. If you visit at this Lorenzi,
if now Lorenzi you want, you know, say if na tank I want use you the budget 1.5 now. So say just be.
Okay. That means that tanker will want come here, not be.
Definitely, if you want use tanker for here, you use up to like 9 to 10 tanker for here. So now you cannot just advise client say let's go for tanker because that tanker look first. You don't first consume money. And I make an advantage in if you just get neighbor around me get bored, talk to them, they can assist you. They'll let you know.
Okay, my people, the reason why they ask these questions, make una for really know the process where they but we not feel understand everything finish. Now only in where they drill the well, now you go feel explain give una. But small way I don't see no, I don't see ask them. Anyone wanna know understand, believe me, your God boy I not go do pass as others go do. Believe me. You go drill your well for you. You go know now say that better person that do one for you. Many people where don't drill well for, including me where they talk. They use my own as an example. Take the set example for now. My own still there. It never change. We see the user up to now. Oh yeah, so for those who go see this video because this morning is very big money. Many of your people now, some of them they sleep. But by the special grace of God, we see they in the business because of our people where they. Outside Nigeria, especially, and those who see the here, where they see your video, where they patronize you, and now what do you get to tell them, sir?
Now do well. Compliment of the season, happy love season. So now do well. I really appreciate. So many people want to try to understand. Say due to the cost of the recent price of things now, they want to try to they understand with us. The thing not be only one day. So when it comes to business like this or work like this, not be we make carry the contract, they get the money. You hear say we call price, not be we get the money. Things we want to buy materials, we want to pay workers. Those are the things. Now, few things be around for inside. So let's just try and understand the situation of the situations at hand now. So with time, we pray for the best. Okay. Oh yeah, sir. For those who go to this video, we want make you drip well for them for either deep well or the one way they up. Now depending on the area, I know they give them price. Yes, definitely now. So we the board depending on the area, and so they give price. Okay.
So my correct point, you know me say drill this one for 1 million or 1.3 million or 1.2 million naira. You see me say that say you want to drill for Ogbuyoko. No, this side they up and I up with this side. And so, oh yeah, you come give them your phone number and also your office address.
My name is still Mr. Gerance, no, the CEO Abuja Water. So my office still remains for 124 Pasapomba Road, Benin City, opposite Welfare Junction. So if you say you want to reach me for WhatsApp, my WhatsApp number still remains 081 87596251. 081 87596251. That one for my WhatsApp number direct, or you say you want to write me for WhatsApp. And that number, say you want to call me for direct call, if it's coming for 070 580 70808. Call them again 070-580-72808. 070-580-72808. Consider that one not go due to the network situation at hand too much in the face of this country. Please come other number 090-5354-8303. 090-5354-8303. Before you call those ones, one will surely go. And people will not do well.
Okay, my correct Oga Boya number could day the under for this video, while those CBC on go day on top of this video. My correct I'm not going to finish this video without not take my time. Data kuna our esteemed viewers, those of where they patronize all of them across board. We for Edo CBC with the thank una well. Mr. Boya, a very young man, believe me. Now. The patronage when I go give her, now I go make her grow well. For those of them whether they patronize them, I want thank una well. For those of them who say they plan to patronize them, make una not fear. Any plan when I give una, make una not fear. Make una just manage according to the time we would they. The number they the under for this video. My correct for those of them who don't drip well for, and the boy see they work as my own still be for us. Una want make it grow, make una help, make una share this, make una share the video, make una join share this particular video. Now the sound where they talk just now we come outside that shako. Now I make a quickly show now before I go end this video. See how? So the number they the under for this video. My correct if you know the first time where una they come across this page, make una not forget to like, comment, and also share this broadcast. My correct my name still remain Igminovia Osamudame. And this na Edo CBC.